This is Wee Hong from Orange Tea and Thai, AAG. Today, we have an exclusive unit at Avenue South Residence, a spectacular condo right at the fringe of the Greater Southern Waterfront. While Avenue South Residence is well known for its strategic location, unrivaled facilities and lush landscaping, many have yet to discover the most desirable units in this development, the Peak Collection. The Peak Collections refers to units located from the 37 to 56 levels at the 256-story towers. All units at the Peak Collection offers spectacular views of the city skyline, while the south-facing units boast the breathtaking sea views transcending the shores of Sentosa Island. If you are looking for a 2-bed, 2-bath unit at the Avenue South Residence, the 721 square feet types at the Stack, 30 and 38 are your only choices with the sea views. There are only 26 such units available in the entire development. While it's trendy for developer to build 2-bedroom with 1 bathroom, having 2 bathrooms offers much more flexibility and convenience for hosting of guests or catering to the growth of your family size. At 721 square feet, the layout for the unit is cleverly designed to allow its maximum functionality. The fully equipped kitchen is tucked at the corner as you enter. It is also partially enclosed with a glass partition so you can enjoy the view or interact with others while whipping up a good meal. The living and dining area allows space for a 3-seater sofa, and even a 6-seater dining table can fit as well. The common bedroom is large enough for a queen-size bed, and the master bedroom can definitely fit a king-size bed. The owners have also thoughtfully installed the lightings, blinds, and ceiling fans for the unit, saving time and effort for the new owner. Everyone's favorite area is the balcony, where you can relax and unwind each day, soaking in the dynamic views of the sea, sky, and clouds. Being a southeast-facing unit with no blockage, it feels breezy all year round in tropical Singapore. Besides the views, all Peak Collection units are provided with premium furnishings such as Galgano appliances for the cooker hood, hob, and the oven when compared to the Heritage and Horizon collections. The marble furnishings for floorings and bathroom walls are of a more luxurious quality as well. Within the condo ground, there are over 80 amenities spread over in 8 unit zones. Some unit amenities include a childcare center and commercial shop spaces integrating with a public park. The Wilderness Zone is a kid's dream comes true, with adventure play areas seamlessly blending with the rail corridor. Avenue South Residence currently has a shuttle bus that brings residents to Outram Park MRT station. By 2026, the new Cantonment MRT on the Circle Line will be completed, and it will be a short 9 minutes stroll away. For food and shopping options, lifestyle hotspots such as VivoCity, Tiong Bahru, Duxton Hills, and Marina Bay are all within minutes drive away. This property is where you can build your dream home while the property value appreciates as you witness the transformation of the Greater Southern Waterfront. Why settle for the rest when you have seen the best of its class? Contact me to see it for real. This is Wee Hong from Orange Tea and Thai, AAG. See you soon.